Agents can only go so far until you get into the natural world. So this is a big moment where we can say, wow, we're going to bring huge value. So it's the apps are important. The data is way more important than ever. Because if you don't have the data, your agents are not going to perform with the level of accuracy and capability. I'm wearing a shirt, my favorite customer, Disney. Here's Mickey. And I'll just buy all of the stuff on Disney Store, not because it runs on Salesforce, but because I just love the brand, love the products, and go to the parks and the hotels and all that. But we built this incredible agent that's incredibly fluid, that's able to go through all of their products. But they have done such a great job as a company, Disney. They have so many products no human could possibly understand, all of the products and the combinations and the promotions.
Yep.
But the AI offers tremendous value at that point for the customer and for what they call the cast member, which is their employee. And that is critical. And this idea now that the apps, the data, and the agent, these three layers together, and for Salesforce, that's only one piece of code. Like in that new version of Tableau I mentioned, you look at that and you take a look at what we did, and you'll see on my Twitter feed, I have a stack diagram of what we've done with our architecture. And it's just not just some AI thing running out there in the wild. It's something that we're going to use in our company that create a better company, and AI and agents are a key part of it, but so is the data and so is the app, because it's about you and apps and agents all working together. And that idea of these three critical layers. And then like last week, I was on a Zoom with the CEO of an incredible robot company in San Jose, and that fourth layer is going to be the robotic layer, but it needs the other three layers to operate because the agents are going to get manifested into these robots. So that will be a key next step, and we'll see that by Dreamforce, I'm sure. That these four layers all have to work together. But remember, it's one piece of code. It's one piece of code for Salesforce. Now, we sell it in different kinds of brands and flavors and this and that, so forth. But it's still one piece of code. And that is going to be incredibly important going forward for these customers, especially as they scale these implementations and make these enterprise-wide implementations that are going to be like transformational for how they interoperate with them, their employees, their customers, their partners.